Vision. Colegio de Nabunturan is driven to provide excellence and inclusive educational opportunities that are responsive to the needs of every student and adaptive to fast-changing environment that foster and applies knowledge and skills towards social, economic, and technological advancement, thereby nurturing globally competitive workforce responsive to changing society. Mission: commit to advancing academic excellence, expanding liberal and professional knowledge and skills, creating a diverse and inclusive community, and preparing leaders dedicated to ethical conduct and compassionate service. Educate the whole person by nurturing and challenging students intellectually, aesthetically, morally, socially, and physically, preparing them for leadership and service to the common good and their professional, civic, and personal lives. Provide the highest quality learning and teaching environment for the greater well-being of our students and deliver an outstanding educational portfolio in terms of innovation and technology readiness. Produce graduates fully equipped to achieve the highest personal and professional standards. Be of service to society and general and to its uh, most disadvantaged members as we work with and for others to build a more um, humane, just, and sustainable world. Goals: build an environmental that encourage excellent in instruction, research, and community engagement. Provide a conducive environment where students can access inclusive quality and relevant learning. Establish strategic partnership and functional linkages with stakeholders, patay, and build internalization opportunities for the college. Actively engage in relevant research or no and beneficial extension and production align with the development efforts of the community. Citizen. Adhere compliance with national educational standards and institution ano institutionalized demands set by globalization. Provide accurate, prompt, and responsive service delivered to all clienteles as um, administered highly highly qualified personnel.